chasing armed criminals might actually be easier than catching this wild pig.
No, it could bite, but... Oh, it's a standoff. It's a standoff. It's a standoff. Get him in there. Get him, Mike.
I wish it had sticks. Quack, quack, quack. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Get your up to date. What is? Quack, quack. Oh man. Quack, quack. Get back up, back up. Back up. Get back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Except for I'm getting attacked by a chicken right now. Back up. I can't believe this is happening. All the places you can come.
The officer had a solid plan to guide the cow back into the pen. What he didn't expect was that much resistance.
329, sir. 771 FD is with the victim. He is now disconnected.
His canine partner found something suspicious, and the officer decided to check it out. Turns out it was a snake.
Is he alright?
He's been drinking.
Oh, I think
Said no. Excellent. It's okay.
An officer was investigating the disappearance of a pony, and one of the missing pony's friends showed up ready to give a statement.
We'll see if insurance covers that. I got it all on video. It's fine. Okay. Well, there you go. Thank you. That's my hood, dude. Pull out as soon as you get it off.
Hey, son!
When it comes to police chases, this bounty suspect is a total professional.
This driver was down the road from the dog park, but got pulled over because he accidentally made an illegal left turn. And needless to say, his husky was ready to have him arrested.
That's unfair. He wasn't even driving.
It's over, y'all. They trying to deploy Coco because he parked in the shop. Why ice gotta be so cold, man?
The officer was heading back to his car after a foot chase, but he didn't know that he was about to get ambushed.
Ah! You see that?
Yeah, last seen going west. Get out of here! Sorry, I'm getting attacked by turkeys. Get out!
It's a god alpaca. God llama. What the?
Judging by how interested this alpaca is in the patrol car, he definitely wants to join the force.
Oh, he's actually gonna block us. He's blood right. Look at this.
Work breaks should always look like this.
So this is what we do when we come to Target. And we're supposed to be working, but we're not working. And we're not working.
So cute. I love it.
Forget it.
Oh my goodness, God loves me. I get to see the coolest stuff, dude. We in Cedar Town. And there are 2 cops chasing a pig. 2 cops chasing a pig. You can't make this up in Cedar Town.
This chicken turned the officer's shift into a cardio workout.
Come here now. Boy, don't pick me.
Get it, grab it.
Bro. Hey, this ain't faster than it look. You don't.
Got it. That's it over here. See that fish right there?